Hello, this is a WordPress tutorial by Design House to show you how to access the dashboard of your website and make basic content updates. WordPress has a bunch of options and we'll just cover the basics in this particular tutorial. The first thing you would need to do is go to your website, and you can log in two ways. You can log in through this button here, and you can also log in by adding /wp-admin, which takes you to a login page, and we'll just log in through here for now and just go ahead and log in. And once you're in, this is your dashboard back here, and the first thing we're going to show you is how to upload posts that will appear on your homepage or on any category. So you'd go back here to the dashboard, and you go to the post area, and you see here all the posts that are already in there. So you would, let's open one up and take a look. Basically the post, we'll click here on visual. These two buttons show you the code and the visual. So the visual is this image, and normally you'd have some text that kind of goes along with it. But for now we'll just keep the image. This is the title of the post, and here's where you select categories for the post to land under. And once you select those categories, you can also go in here to the post options, and there's some customizations area. The ones that you'll be interested in is the block single page. This shows you what the design, the layout you want it to be, if you want the panel on the right or the left, or these are the different options. And also the reviews. If you want to start reviews for a post, you initially have to make a review in order for the reviews to appear. And then in the future we'll talk about advertisements and how that will work. You will end up having to put the HTML provided by AdSense or whoever in there. So once you do all of that, you click update, and your post will be posted. So if you wanted to add a new post, all you would have to do is go here to add new. We'll leave this page, and you'll just put here the title of your post, add an image here. You can go to add media, and this is the media library. These are images that already exist on the website, or you can upload an image from your desktop onto here and insert into post. So for now we'll just use this image of this egg here, and that comes in. It's really large, so you can easily adjust that over here, this little button, and you can do a percentage. Let's take it down 60% and click update, and that's still too big, so you can go ahead and do that percentage down again and click update, and it'll get it smaller. You can also make some other changes in actually, you can add a link to the image. In this case, we don't want one. It normally has a default link to the image. In advanced settings, you can change the size manually. Just keep in mind it has to be proportional. So you'll have to make edits on both fields here. Then just click update whatever change you make. And then, of course, if you want to add some text to this, which you will be doing, just go ahead and put it right there. And you can go ahead into the block single page, select the layout you would like it to have, and so forth. And the category, of course. Unless you pick the category, it's not going to show up anywhere. And then you would just click publish, and it would show on the front end. So let's go now to another page. Let's say on the home page you want to change what things appear on the home page. So just right from the home page is a shortcut. You can edit a page up here on this admin bar. Just click edit page, and here you'll see the codes that determine what products will be showing and how many of them for each category. And if you look inside the code here, this is the category chatterbox, the amount of items under that category you'd like to show on the home page, and how much of the description. We have it set at 200 max, which seems to be working well. In the future, you'll want to have advertisement and other things. So this is where you would put those. The order is important. So the first thing you want to show up is in the ascending order, just like it is here. So the first thing that would show up is this, then that, then this, all the way to the end. If you want to add a new category to the home page, just go ahead and copy this line and paste it right below it, and there you can change the category and the account number. You can always have, let's say you want to have 2 tips and tricks on the home page, all you have to do is change this number to 2 over here, and that will take care of that. Then we'll just go ahead and leave this page without saving. And let's go to the next page. How it works is a simple page. It's basically set up just text and copy. And the way you would edit this page is you just go right up here to this edit button. And you'll see everything in here. The layout looks a little different, but that's how it is on the back end. These are called short codes, these things that you see between brackets. And right now this short code is a solid line with some settings, so just so you know. Any text you want to change, you can go ahead and just change anything here. Make any changes you like. If you want to change an image, you can do that here. You can delete this image and add a new image. This image is important to make sure that it has a left justification, and that's these buttons here, for instance. That makes the text go under. This makes the text go to the side. And of course there's center and these other settings. You can put it to the right. So for now we'll just have it left, and we'll just cancel that. And that sort of thing. Here's a hyperlink for a mailbox and for an email. And how you would do that is just highlight it, just go here to the link area, and email hyperlinks have a mail to colon in front of it. Other links will be the typical URL with HTTP and / and all that. So you can just copy the URL that you want to link to and just put it right there. If you want to add a link to a word, for instance, just highlight the word, click on the hyperlink, enter the URL, and you'll have a hyperlink. On this type of page, you don't need to worry about the page options, just it's a regular page. So you click update when you're done, and your changes will be saved. So let's go to the next page. Go back to the front end of the site by clicking up here. And the rest of the pages, these are all actually categories. So if you go to a page of a category, let's see, let's try one. I believe we have, there's no post for face, but we have for mascara. So basically, anytime you upload a post that you categorize as mascara, it will show up on this page here. That just shows posts for mascara. And the same thing will be for all the other posts. So until you have any, they'll be showing empty. So the sooner you can start populating those, the better.